So Charlotte, on the eve of World War II, around 1940, it had about 100,000 people. Mecklenburg County had about 150,000 people. So as we sit here today in Mecklenburg County with 10 times that number of people, you have to imagine a Charlotte where there was only one person back then where you see 10 today. So indeed, yeah, a much smaller place. You could argue a sleepier place. And yet, I think Charlotte even then was a kind of ambitious and important city. It was the biggest city in North Carolina. It was kind of the key urban center serving the region's textile industry, which was one of the world's most important parts of the textile industry. It was kind of an important regional banking center. And then it was an important transportation hub with railroads and trucking and so forth. I do think it's fair to say that patriotism was running high. There were American flags being flown all around the city and the county and the region. Everybody, rich and poor, was subject to being drafted. Everybody, rich and poor, was subject to rationing. So there was a kind of, I think it's fair to say, an egalitarian culture of shared sacrifice and patriotic effort.